Hey, it's Sam here, and welcome to this overview of Smart Affiliate Stores. This is a brand new cloud-based software that lets you create affiliate stores that lets you sell products from over 9 different affiliate networks. Now, this can give you a wide range of products. This includes Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress, Etsy, ClickBank, a whole bunch of different examples, and I'll quickly talk about those in a second, which means you can pull almost anything that you can then sell. You can then drive traffic to these stores via different social networks such as Reddit, Medium, and the such as well. Now, finding content for your stores is quite easy. You use the software to find the products via keyword. You can then populate your stores and then auto post to different social networks. Like I said, you can fill your stores with so many different content from a number of affiliate networks. Most of these stores are quick and easy to set up from various templates and layouts as well, and they all come SEO optimized, or you can sort of try and build one from scratch. Now, within this, you can get products from Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, Walmart, CJ, Etsy, Linkshare, Envato, and ClickBank. So quite a lot of affiliate networks where you can get selling and earning affiliate commissions on selling on these stores. You can then drive traffic from Tumblr, Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit, and Medium as well, and then also you could manually go about sharing your stores through other organic means with Facebook and whatnot too. So it sort of depends how much you want to put in as to driving your traffic too. So it's quite easy to be able to do, and quite a comprehensive solution as well, and I like the look of this. Unfortunately, my login, the review login I had has gone offline, so I've had to quickly improvise here to be able to give you guys a bit of an overview of what that's all about. That's what it's all about, so I encourage you to check it out in detail on the bonus page down below. I've also got a video from the product vendors to show you through this as well in more detail if you'd like to take a look at the software in action. So I'll put that demo video on, and I encourage you to check it out in more detail down below on the bonus page as well.
Hey everyone, this is Niranjan here, and on behalf of my business partners Dan and Daniel, I'd like to give you a quick overview of the app and what it does. As you know, this is an app that will help you create affiliate stores from 9 different e-commerce platforms, and it's a very powerful store. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard. This is an example store that I've created for myself to demonstrate this process, and for my testing purposes. Once you get in there, you'll see all these options. You'll see the dashboard, you'll manage stores, you'll see marketplace settings, a help tab, and manage profile. Now, just to get started, help is where you can get support information. You can get training videos and training content. Manage profile is where you can manage your profile. You can change your email address, you can change your profile details and stuff like that. You can also change your password. So once you see, this is the main dashboard. This is not your store dashboard, mind you. This is the entire app that you. This is basically an accumulation of the entire store that you have. Okay, entire number of stores that you have. Okay. Now, manage stores is where you'll be managing the various stores that you've created. Now, this is a place where all your new stores that you create will be showcased. Okay. So let me start with creating a store. Once you click on creating a store, you will have this option. So let me say give a demo title. Let's say demo store, right? And then what I'll do is I'll just create a subdomain for this, and if that subdomain is available, it will be given to me. If it's not, it will throw up an error, so you'll be asked to create another subdomain. Okay, if you have the domain mapping feature, if you've got the pro version of the front end or one of the OTOs, then you'll be having this domain mapping feature. All right, so once you see this, you can actually connect this to your own domain and use that. Okay, now there are 5 different templates that you can use in your to create your stores. These are very high quality templates that we have, and these would be super useful if you want to create a store that is different from what we have in place. Okay, what are the traditional store designs available in most of the apps. Okay, so these are very unique. So what you do is click on one that you like and then save it, and then your store will be created. Okay, so once the store is created, it will be shown as demostore.smartaffiliatestores.com. Right, now that the store is created, we have a blank store here. So what you have to do is you have to let me show you these features. Okay, so once you click on view, you'll be able to see the store that has been created for you. If you want to click delete, you'll be able to delete the store. If you want to edit it, you can edit some of the features that we just entered into the store. And in order to manage the store or to import products into the store and do all sorts of good things, you'll have to create on manage store. Once you create on manage store, it will move on to the store dashboard, which we'll be editing now. Alright, so here we are on the manage store section, and as you can see, we have a similar dashboard. It's just that we have not imported any of the products as of now. And now what we'll do is we'll go and click on import product. Now this import product option is where we will select the Amazon platform that we're going to work with, and we'll be able to take it forward from there. Okay, so if you see here, we've got all of these updates available, if you see, let's say we go for Amazon and we click on electronics, and let's say we type in camera. Okay, so it'll search for products on Amazon, and you can repeat this process with any of these platforms. Okay, you can repeat the process with any of those platforms. So you import the product, and all you have to do is import it, and it'll start showing up at the store. Okay, import, it'll show up at the store. All right, so let's say we want to go for this one or this one. Okay, let's say you want to see some more, right? So all you have to do is click more, and you'll see all these options. Now let's say you want to click on multiple products and import them all at once. Okay, so all you do is import selected, and it'll start posting them. As you can see, the selected options have been posted. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so now that you've seen the products have been imported to the store, in the next phase we'll go to manage products, and we'll see how to go about managing the product. So in the manage product section, you'll have two different options. One is the category, where you can manually attach a category to a certain product, and the other one is all products. Okay, so in all products, you'll be able to see all the products that we have actually imported. So we imported a few of them right now, and those have been published here on the manage product section. Okay, now here's basically a today's deal feature, which allows you to give a special priority to some of the products and make them as today's deal. So let's say there is a particular product that you want to put emphasis on. Let's say you're importing something from your ClickBank account, and you'd like to make it as a deal for the day. So this is where that feature comes in. Okay, now this publish and unpublish feature basically takes off the product from the store. Like the moment you unpublish it, it goes off the store, and you'll not be able to see it. The featured option, on the other hand, is basically providing the products, making the products a part of the featured product list, and you can see there is a special dedicated page in this template for the featured products. Okay, so the moment you switch it on, it becomes a featured product, and the moment you switch it off, it is taken off of that list. Okay, so each of these products now can basically, this is an Amazon link. What this does is this takes you straight to the Amazon page from where this has been picked. So if it is from eBay, you will get the eBay link, and likewise. Okay, you want to delete a product, you can delete it here. You can edit a product if you want. Say for example, you want to edit a product, right? You can go ahead and change the title. Sometimes the title that is chosen or that is borrowed from the platform may not be consistent or may not be to your liking. That's because there are 9 different platforms, and not all of them are as mature as far as their API is concerned as Amazon, eBay, or some of the other bigger ones. Okay, so what you have to do is you basically have to get this. You have the option of changing this and working with them. Okay, now here's the thing, you've got the edit option. Now when it comes to view, this will take you straight to the store where you can actually see the product. All right, this is what we have in the store. This is how beautifully the store is laid out. Okay, so that's all about the managing product section. And as you can see, there is a certain category here. If say you want to change the category of this product, you can always do that. What you have to do is go ahead and create the category if it's not already existing in here. If it's not existing, you create that category, and then what you do is go back to this and edit it, and then insert the new category over there. Okay, so that's how you can manage the products in this entire website. Okay, now let's go back to the settings on this particular tab and see what's in there. So in the general settings, you'll be getting a lot of options basically to customize your website. Okay, so you can add your social links, you can add Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and other integrations. By other integrations, we're referring to autoresponder settings, and we've got the social media settings wherein the products will directly be configured. So the moment you switch this on and enter your keys, what will happen is every time you import a product, it will be published to each one of these 5 social media platforms. As a result of that, what happens is you start creating social signals for the product that you've created, and since that is a product name long tail keyword, product name keyword that you're targeting for on each page, and you have the option of changing the text and description and things like that, there is a good opportunity that this social signals will actually push it higher up the search engines for specific search terms related to that product. Okay, so that's one wonderful advantage over here. When it comes to the appearance, this is like, as the name suggests, all you have to do is this basically defines, this particular section defines the look and feel of your store. You can upload the logo, slider settings, you've got favicon and everything, literally everything that is in there that can be changed from this particular section, and it's pretty straightforward. All right, you just upload the image and you'll have the options that you're looking for, have the a design you're looking for. So when it comes to pages, let me quickly show you. So this is a home page. This is where you go ahead and alter the home page design if you want. Let's say you started with style 1 but you'd like to go to style 2 and you want to change that, so you'll go ahead and do that here, update home page, and do that here. Mind you, when you do that, there is a good chance that you'll have to update the images, because the banners on style 2, style 3, style 4 and style 5 are different. The layout is different. So I would suggest, if you're doing something with related to a store, just be sure about the style that you want to go after. I mean, create some quick 4-5, import some 4-5 products and then check it out if it's working out fine for you. The menu builder is where you'll be creating menu for the header. This is the top menu on the header. You can actually add a menu and then add sub menus. These are all sub menus being added up. Okay, so this is, if you have to add a new menu, this is what you do. All right, so similar to header menu, you've got a footer menu section which operates pretty much in the same style. Then there are blogs. You can create blog categories here. So if there is a number of categories that you want to create for your blogs, those can be created here and saved. Once you've created those categories, you can create blogs here, and once you create the blogs, you can allocate different categories to them. For example, when you click on this, it'll show you a nice little text box like this, where you can enter your HTML tags. I mean, you can basically format it in whichever way you want, right? You can write the text and format it in whichever way you want. So you've got a blog title, you've got a blog image, and you've got a category to choose from, right? So this is how the blog works. Now these are all some mandatory pages. For example, the contact us page is there. So this is a beautiful lit page. You have a contact form, and then you've got some details about your business, your phone number, email address. Now in some affiliate stores, you may not want to do that. You may not want to give it. All you have to do is leave this vacant, and it will be taken care of. Okay, but it does build authority and credibility when you provide a certain business address. Okay. So privacy policy, terms and conditions. Now this privacy policy is basically something that I have already given, and this is a demo text that is there to help you out. I would strongly suggest that you modify this, update this based on the requirements for your own store, and it should be fine. Similar to that, we've got the terms and conditions as well. Then we've got the footer, which basically takes care of the copyright message. So if you want to have a copyright message with your business name in it, you can do that. And if you want to add a page, you can always do that by clicking here, right? So this will allow for creating text-based pages for your website that you want to have in place. Okay, so that's all about it, all about Smart Affiliate Stores. Thank you so much.